Well, well, well. As you can see, we got a new Agrivolution Tower Garden Kit Lighting Kit all installed. And they've been on now for about 2 days. And we are already starting to see incredible flower production, as well as some peppers already starting to come in out of those flowers. So let's do a quick look here. I want to show you a little bit more about the why I'm excited about these lights. Well, the first thing is, this is something you usually can't do anywhere else, and I probably should put a disclaimer in there and say don't try this at home. But I'm going to show you something. Here's the light. Look at that. They've been on for like 10 hours already, and I could touch it. Backside is a little warm. This one, this side, not so hot at all. And as you can see, what I've done here, hopefully the light isn't, let me see if I can focus lighting there. All right, as you can see, all I did was zip tie them. Maybe I can get a better angle here. Okay, so you can see that these use a little clip that clips onto the rails. See their little rails that are in here, the little grooves. The clips on there. Okay, and all you do is run a zip tie through the little hole. If you haven't seen my video on how to put these zip ties on, then I suggest you watch that other video. I'll see if I can figure out how to put the link in there. I'm not really good at that. So here is the tie. Now what's nice about these lights is that because of the slide, see the height right now? I could slide it up, slide it down. I can position the light height wherever I need it. And it's secure, nice and tight. See? And if you just put the zip ties on right, you want to move your lights, you just move them. They just slide to where you need them. Space the light out evenly. Do what you want for the lighting. All right. That's all there is to it. I just have to clip this one off, but as you can see, you got that. Actually, let me tighten that up a little bit more. All right. Green onions are so big, I gotta start eating more green onions. If you need green onions, let me know. I'm being sarcastic. I don't need 1,000 calls for my green onions today. So there we go. Position the lights up or down. Move them where I need them. Just slide them along the rack. All right. I mean, there's other ways you can use these lights. You can hook them onto poles. You can put Velcro on these clips. Let's see if we can get the clip from this angle. Can you see the clip from this angle without getting blinded by the light? You just put Velcro on the back of that, and then you could just attach it to a PVC and move the PC where you need it. Or not PVC where you need it. All right. As you can see, the red light that this actually is, it's red and white. I know it looks different on video, but it's doing fine for my vegetative plants as well. I got so much basil and chard here, it looks like a little forest. All right. Chives, everything's growing nice and healthy. All right, everybody, that's just a quick little video on the Agrivolution Lighting Kit for Tower Garden. And let's move this down a little bit. Pay no attention to that basil. We've been chopping that one up. So that one's coming out in another day because we're going to use it all for some pesto. All right. That's it. Everybody have a good day. Like this video below and call us with any questions or message us with any questions, and we'll be happy to help you get your own kit. Talk to you later.